let chronic do this or that one card. Next phase.
This is part 3.
Okay, hold on. I know, don't you? See, Crossman is on my side. Everybody give me a 420. The mustard burns too. Gotta do. I ruined my family's life. I guess I did. I was one of the retard kids, you know? I'm the one who wrote the short quest for it up, and I actually did because I was in special ed classes. You can't ask my mom. When I was in the 7th grade, one of the schools didn't have special ed for me, so I actually had to write one of those short quests to a different school district. Yeah, so I can actually say, I wrote the short quest. I kind of still do. Yep. Oh, that looks so lovely. Oh, I think it's raining mustard on my head today. I think that battlecam is taking my blues away. You're getting rid of my bluesies today. Woo! Oh my, okay. The shirt, if there's a shirt on, I guess I gotta keep down because the nipples are showing through the shirt. Blame it on the prune tube. It has to be blamed on the prune tube. So now we gotta, hold on. You're gonna have to let Gary and Random go for a second. Hold up, but I'll do the, just so I can hit my weed pipe completely, so I can finish this. I know I still have more to do. This will be like halftime. Chronic hits the weed pipe, but I'm still cammed up. I need to let those off. After the barbecue, this is just regular barbecue. You gotta put that on. We got to do the robot voice. Hog, do you like it when I'm all barbecued up for you? Do you want a robot blow job with a barbecue sauce hogslammer? This is fun. Oh, and then we gotta do the mayonnaise. Hold on, we need the mayonnaise. There's still more after the mayonnaise. So the mayonnaise gotta go, do you want the mayo next, Hog? You want to give me a mayo beef injection? And I burped through that. Yeah. How you like that? No, that really looks bad. Really looks like you skirted on my head, Hog. That's Hog doesn't have sex, so that would be a hog, right? That's all your cobwebs being released. It really does look like Hog just didn't get it for a long time, right? That's a thick cum. That's when you know you don't get puss when it comes out that thick. Okay, sorry, we need to get back to business. Sounded like a lamb instead of a robot because of laughing. Okay. More mustard? Oh, Pikachu says chronic more mustard. Pikachu knows what they are talking about. Where's the mustard, Chronic? Hog, does that feel good? Does the mustard turn you on? You like the yellow mustard though? Oh yeah, because then we have to, okay, here we go. You want me to throw flour on me, Hog? Make me a nice powdery mess. Now I look like a powdered donut, all for your sexual hog pleasure. Oh no. Okay, Chronic. Now we need some feathers. This is a boa that's falling apart, so it's okay. Do you like the feathers, Hog? Do you want me to walk like a chicken for you? Current is one of the top dogs here. 187 chronic. Please pour some gasoline and light fluid. Thank you. Battlecam.com. Cam up. God, okay. Now we gotta do, hold on, we need one more. Oh yes, we have to do the green olive. After the green olives, you do know that it is the kitty box. Yes, the kitty box is left. Chronic has to be some dumb bitch because this grand finale will even make me sick afterwards. I have given you a warning. So here is the green olives. Now that's the next part. Do you want me to pour green olives in my mouth, Hog? Will that turn you on? Is that a fetish of yours, Hog? Do you like green olives? With the green food? Oh my god, I look like an alien, right? I have all this green stuff in my mouth. My face looks like a mess. I got feathers sticking out of it. Ah, too far. You're going too far, Chronic. Oh, this is definitely salty. But that's just because I'm getting my mouth prepared for the grand finale. Okay. You all ready for the grand finale? I have prepared myself for this. I can't believe I'm about to do this and I'm actually shaking right now. Oh god. This is dedicated not to you, Hogslammer. This is dedicated to Chris Bama. Why not have a girl stick some cat poop in her mouth and chew on it and smile for the camera like you did when you brushed your teeth with your own shit? Chronic has never done this, ever, and I am like petrified to even do this, but I'm doing it for the team. Here is the box of kitty litter. There is the cat poop at top. Oh god, I can't. I gotta do it though. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, this one's fresh. Oh, chronic. Okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. And it has glitter on it! Ah, kitty poo for the win! I can't. Okay. This is for the love of battlecam.com. They will never look at Chronic the same again. Here it goes.
that was the end, part 3 of Chronic eating her own shit. Well, not her own shit, but cat shit. Okay, let me stop the recording now.